29 forecast.
Well, if you slept in this morning, you missed a stunning sunrise. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Well, here's a snapshot of it just in case you did miss it this morning. Thanks to Mark Miller at Afton Mountain showing us that spectacular orange glow on the horizon. And that's usually a sign that the weather is about to change, and it will over the next 24 to 48 hours. Keep those photos coming. If you haven't already, make sure you download the Storm Team 29 weather app. This is the easiest way to see it, snap it, and send us your weather related and photos and also your pictures, because we may see some thunder showers tomorrow evening. Not so winter like, at least in the short term outlook. We're watching the clouds on the increase. There's the view from Pinnacles along Skyline Drive looking west towards the Allegheny Highlands, and we're watching maybe a stray sprinkle or a snowflake up into the Alleghenies back to the west. We'll look at that on radar in a moment, but temperatures are inching their way up through the 30s and the low 40s. NBC 29's live Doppler radar network is indicating a little bit of precipitation up in the clouds. Really, the atmosphere here at ground level is so dry that a lot of this is not really reaching the ground. I haven't seen any reports into West Virginia or into Western Virginia of this reaching the ground into Augusta and here into Rockingham County. But this is a sign of a push of milder air. We call that a warm front, and that warm front is straight back to the west. You can see showers developing over mild stopping grounds of Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia towards Huntington. I mentioned that because this will graze by our area in the next 6 hours. So this evening, I can't rule out a shower, maybe a sprinkle, but that's really about it. I'm more focused on this storm system, this energy coming out of the Rockies, out of Colorado and into Wyoming. This is going to be our next significant weather player. So let's track them now one at a time. Here's the warm front this evening. You can see 5, 6, 7 o'clock. We may get a ground dampening shower, and then it's out of here overnight. Not as cold. Most areas stay above freezing overnight. Here's tomorrow morning at 7. It's mostly cloudy. The main axis of rain and thunderstorms is 2 hours south and west over the Ohio Valley. And then on towards Thursday evening, 6 p.m. Stop the clock. Shenandoah Valley, you're first up to get the gusty rains and downpours around 7 p.m. for the Route 29 corridor, on towards 8, Route 15, and heading east into the I-95 corridor on towards 10 p.m. So it's in and out of here. Right now, the severe weather risk is 2 hours southwest, but we'll see if that gets pushed up in our direction by tomorrow evening. But there will be some gusty winds with that, along with the soaking rain. On average, a ½ inch of rainfall, perhaps up to an inch as we go into tomorrow night. But then it's colder and drier Friday and Saturday with the snow-stained west towards the Allegheny Highlands. And then we'll see dry skies on Monday, a shower chance on Tuesday morning, and then additional rain chances at the end of next week. So no signs of cold or snow anytime soon. Your forecast today, mostly cloudy and cool in the 40s. Overnight, maybe an evening shower, lows mostly above freezing. Your forecast on Thursday in the low to mid 50s. Not a whole lot going on during the day, but by the evening hours, you saw on Futurecast 6 to 9 p.m. west to east. Watch for those gusty downpours. Drying out and breezy Friday, upper 40s into low 50s. Cooler on Saturday in the 40s, lows in the 20s. Low 50s on Sunday and dry. We're dry Monday for the holiday in the 50s, and then some more rain showers and warmer next Tuesday.